I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tuna avocado salad. Let's start by gathering our fresh ingredients. You'll need 2 5-ounce cans of tuna, 1 perfectly ripe avocado, and a bright lemon. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of finely diced red onion and 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. A couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise, along with salt and pepper, will round out our simple ingredient list for this delightful dish. Now let's prepare our main components. First, drain your 2 cans of tuna very well to ensure the salad isn't watery. Then, flake the tuna into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, take your ripe avocado, carefully halve it, and remove the pit. Scoop out the creamy green flesh and add it to the bowl with the tuna. Gently mash the avocado with a fork until it's smooth and well combined with the tuna. It's time to add some incredible flavor and texture to our salad. Incorporate the finely diced red onion and the fresh, chopped cilantro into the tuna and avocado mixture. Squeeze the juice from half of your lemon over everything. This adds a wonderful brightness. Stir in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise to achieve that perfect creamy consistency. Finally, season generously with about a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to taste. Almost there. Give all the ingredients a good, thorough mix until everything is beautifully combined and evenly distributed. Now, take a small taste and adjust the seasonings if necessary, perhaps a little more salt or a squeeze of lemon. This salad is fantastic served immediately on toasted bread, crisp crackers, or fresh lettuce wraps. It's best enjoyed fresh to savor its vibrant flavors and creamy texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.